So how, I mean, what are the characteristics of unit cell? First, we would have the lattice point. What the lattice point is basically. So each corner of and the something, I mean, edge or face or whatever you can say of unit cell contains the lattice point representing the position of atoms, ions, or molecules. Most of the times, atoms are present. Okay, so I mean, if you have a lattice structure and you have given the structure like the cubic cell, suppose the atoms are present in very simple, very if you would talk about the very simple block, simple unit cell, then you have a atoms present at a corners only. Okay, so the point where atom can be sit is known as a lattice point. Okay, shape and symmetry. Next one is shape. This is a shape and symmetry. Okay, so unit cell that can have the various shapes, including the cubic, tetragonal, orthogonic, orthorhombic. Lots of there are. We will discuss the things in later on. Okay, depending on the systems of crystals. I mean, how the crystal have been made. That depends on that. According to this crystal, there would be a symmetry or asymmetry. Okay, these six things we need to know. This is the ABC, and this is the alpha, gamma, and alpha, beta, and gamma. Okay, so what these are? ABC are the length of the unit cell edges. First we have discussed about the corners. Okay, if we talk about the edges, how many edges are present in a cubic cell? In a simple cube, how many edges are present?
4. 80 number, no?
No, no,
Cubic 8. Cubic 8, sir.
no, wrong. Try to think more. Okay, so come to the rectangle. How many
12,
edges are
sir.
present in rectangle?
4.
Yes, that's correct. Okay, if you will give the height to that rectangle, then you would have the eight, right? Because I mean at the bottom and the top, right? So eight edges are
Yes, sir.
present. Yes. And what about the height? I mean, if you have the height, then you have the four edges as well, right? At the four corners, joining the I mean all four corners present at the bottom and all four corners present at the top. They would have a line as well, right? That line is also known as
Yes.
the edge, right?
Yes, sir.
So total edges are 12. Look here. This is one is first edge. Okay, let me show you if we can write.
Yes, 12 edges. Yes, sir.
Yeah. If this one is one, two. These have the four edges, upper one, right? And this one is
Yes, sir.
the four. So four for it and one line which will joining like this, right? At each corners.
Yes, sir.
But so they will be have 12 edges. Okay. So length of the unit cell edges. I mean how they are long and how small, that is known as A, B, and C. What A and B and C? This is. If you can see here, this is suppose A, this one is suppose B, and this one is C. Got it? So A, B, and C. So these are the three things, and how they are basically making the angles with each other. Suppose this one is making some. This one, how they are making angle, right? This one is alpha. Then how they are. This is making the angle with this one is beta, and third one is this one. This one. Suppose you this one. The height and this one is base. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So these are the six basic, terminology you must know. A, B, and C. A, B, C is denoted the length of edges. present in any kind of the cell, okay, irrespective of their shape, and alpha, beta, and gamma are the angles of their arrangement. I mean, these if you have a three lines, okay, then you can have the three angles as well, okay, arranging depending on how they are arranged, okay. So these are the angles between their edges, okay. So this is the basic terminology. If you will have, you know, the repetition of these three, then you would have a unit cell.